The word seem, to appear or give the impression of something. Seem happy, seem tired, seem ready. She seems happy with her new job. You seem tired. Did you sleep well? Bunny seemed ready to begin the presentation, to suggest possibility or likelihood, but seemed to be, seem like, seem as if. It seems to be working just fine now. And he seems like a trustworthy person. It seems as if they've made up their minds. To express uncertainty or tentativeness. Seem unsure, seem confused, seem unclear. And the speaker seemed unsure about the final point. And she seemed confused by the question. And the instructions seemed unclear to many participants, to be perceived or interpreted in a certain way, and seem important, seem urgent, seem appropriate. It seemed important to mention the error right away. In his request seemed urgent, so we responded quickly. And that comment didn't seem appropriate for the situation. To describe a general impression or feeling, and seem nice, seem fair, seem strange. A new manager seems nice so far, when the decision seems fair to everyone involved. Something about that place seems strange.